Hello everyone, this is Jim Okozinski with your weekly screencast video. So the semester is moving along. We're already into week 3. So as I mentioned in my announcement, we're moving into chapter 2 on the researcher, which is primarily focused on research strategies. One thing I'd like to point out is that I will review the discussion board number 4 as quickly as possible this week to comment on and grade the exercise 1.4, 1.5, I should say, your proposals. Any thoughts, whether you might consider narrowing a topic, it might be too broad at this time. Perhaps a certain emphasis or focus you may want to put on the research topic. You could put on a research topic will be in the comments section, so please take a look at the comments as we move forward. Most of the topics that I looked at look workable. I don't see anything out there that would cause anybody any kind of rethinking the research topic. However, there might be a couple of suggestions I might make to help you shape that research topic. Then let me be clear here that you will work on this research topic for the rest of the semester. All of our activities, all of our exercises and assignments will focus on that research topic. So as we move forward to the annotated bibliography, the research essay, any of the activities, it'll be about this research topic. Okay, this is not a series of one-off activities. I want to make that clear. So this week we'll have 2 discussion boards, 5 and 6. About midweek I will talk about the annotated bibliography, which is our first really big assignment. So the instructions here for the discussion boards are pretty straightforward about exercise 2.1 and then the sections in the textbook. This is like a reading and gaining knowledge activity to read those particular sections in the book and summarize them in this second discussion board post for the week. All right, let me get back up to the announcements in the schedule here. All right, so a typical pattern: Tuesday, Friday, Sunday for responses. If you have any questions or issues, please send me an email. Good luck.